drinks in it, and then we take it home. Just by happenstance, my son ran into this disgusting pig there.
Security cameras show Salter.
I gotta try to figure out how to put this with my mom and dad's old Kodak. A stupid red light. But you see,
it's clear to me that there are a number of broken hearts and they may never met.
Indeed, Bryce's loved ones were devastated.
I had it plugged into my laptop. It would flash that it sees the card, but then it won't stay on. It just shows it on there when you go to files. It shows it on, then it clicks it right off. I tried to go to Kodak software update. Didn't even work. I went on the internet and I tried to do a Kodak software update, and it didn't work. So I'll just wait a couple of minutes here, and
when officers arrested him, Lang admitted to using that Salter.
I'll try it in a different USB port in my laptop. I'll try that, plug it on that side, because I tried the one on that side there. Like I said, I just flashed,
Eagerly awaited the judge's verdict.
but I wouldn't stay lit up that it's, you know, still plugged in. So I'll try it in that USB on that side.
The defendant did nothing but smile at the camera. Something that even baffled the judge himself.
Somebody should have shot that guy when he walked into the courtroom.
In his chair and smile at the same time shows that he has no remorse.
Bryce's
He
family
killed somebody.
didn't waste their time insulting Damien, but rather took the opportunity to talk about how amazing their son was.
Oh, their son. Oh,
His loss is.
He had everything. He had the looks, the smile, the concern,
I don't know what this is.
care. He was the perfect blend of everything. He was sensitive,
And I don't know how this volume is, so I don't know how loud to talk. Like my other one
Bryce's
on
mother
my phone.
openly said that she forgave
I didn't know
how sincerely hoped
loud to talk on it, 'cause I didn't know how sensitive it was, so I was actually yelling, almost yelling.
I forgive him because that's how I am.
Want to see me? I shaved.
But my last statement would be,
Now, I don't know.
I hope that he finds God as someone in his life, because his internal life is going to be way worse than whatever he went
Oh, I know how I could do this. Yeah. There, I'll go like this here, there.
everyone was able to offer their forgiveness.
I got the back of my camera facing towards my mirror.
A father and a grandson
So right there, I'm right in the middle of the screen, you see.
family.
See my posters in the background there.
time that I have seen David.
Oh, that's one thing I never showed anybody.
His smugness, lack of respect, which will
My posters. See, I got a...
even though I am a Christian, you should forgive.
I can zoom it in.
This time, no part of
Here
my
I...
can or will.
San Andreas.
Words and actions keep me from
Grand
doing
Theft Auto.
so. I would request that he be sentenced to the fullest extent of the law. His lack of morality, behavior, actions are absolutely no remorse. Proves in my eyes that he is a very dangerous person, and our streets are not safe with him on them.
Then down.
None of what the victim's family said managed to move Damien, who didn't even
That picture my brother gave me, the Vic Hotel in Fenton, was throwing it out. So he gave it to me. And there's my Grand Theft Auto 4.
in the second degree as a fourth habitual offender. It is
And this one here of the baby leopard with the
years to a maximum of
butterfly.
the parents of the
I don't know where I got that one.
young man said they were satisfied with the verdict, not only for achieving justice for their son, but also for the safety and well-being of their community.
we're very satisfied
Ah.
Most of it's just for the safety of the community. I mean, this
Oh, how many years did he get?
never be allowed to walk.
Remorseful, something that the judge did not overlook.
As far as count one, murder in the second degree as a fourth habitual offender, it is the
Fourth?
court that you serve a minimum 70 years to a maximum of...
Holy, oh jeez.
The parents of the 21-year-old young man said they were satisfied with the verdict, not only for
Okay, 5:40. I gotta see if I can get this stupid thing to work here.
also for the safety and
Goodbye.